Hi guys, look at how there are too many mosquito around me. Uh, do not have any kind of smoke for them, so I'm just trying to have a conducted experiment using these oregano leaves to uh, how how much this oregano are very effective to as a repellent in mosquito like in different insect like mosquito. So we'll crush to release the odor of this or smell. So we will see. We'll put in this area. I will in this area. So the oregano leaves are will put like X or cross north, south, east, west, something like that. So we'll try to use this mosquito repellent. So we'll put this area. So look at this different kind of. Let's try about look at this. So I will stop the video and I will give feedback about 2 minutes or 5 minutes. I'm just trying to observe. I think oregano or I did not get about 1 minute. I returned the video about 10 seconds. So I think oregano is a very effective. Before I did not crush the oregano in my backpack, so the mosquito around me are too many, and they're in different kinds of area. But after I crush the oregano leaves, this is the result now. The mosquito in the area and my food area are gone. There are some are still remain, but in every seconds, I think. Look at this. Let's try. We will see how the uh, effects of using oregano. There are some are still flying around me. Let's try this power of oregano. I think it's better to get some coconut oil and extract the oil of this oregano as it's good to use as a ointment or oil. I think it's more effective. I think very oregano are effective because after about 4 minutes 5 minutes, so this is the result. The mosquito around me are gone. So this area so many of them before I did not crush the oregano leaves. So after I crush it, the mosquito around me are gone, only in the top in this area. Look at that, try to watch. One of the mosquito are run, go there. They smell the, I think they smell the essence of the oregano. Itself for me, oregano as a mosquito repellent are effective. Okay, thank you for watching. Effective. It's very effective. All approximately 80% to 85% all mosquito around me are gone after I crush the 4 leaves of oregano. So effective, the essence of oregano are effective to as a mosquito repellent. So all mosquito around me before I did not crush the oregano or use or around me and after there all of them are gone. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this kind of techniques using way of uh, organic way of instead we use chemical or different kinds of mosquito repellent, we try to use organic way of prevention or avoid bite by the mosquito. So thank you. To God be the glory. And the highest praises are highest praises are belong to God always, all the time. Okay, thank you for watching. Oregano essence. Bye bye.